Hey guys, Bryce here. It's been a long time since I've made a video. There will be an update video in the future, very near future. We are back. The only thing that really happened, we moved and whatnot. I won't go into too much detail, but today I'm doing a review on a new Razer keyboard I got. I wanted to get an older, like IBM Model M keyboard, but I could not find one that looked real nice, so I went ahead and bought a new one. This is the Razer Blackwidow Tournament Edition. Sorry, I had to look at the box. I already unboxed it. You know, no reason to unbox anything on here. Just doing a little review on it. Real nice. I've been using it for about a week and a half or so. I don't know what kind of switches are in it exactly. They're Razer's new line of gaming switches, whatnot. They have like 45 grams of pressure. The activation is at 1.8 millimeters, whatever. I'm just giving my opinion on it. I love it. I wish it was the clicky version. This is the silent version, so I'll give you a little sample of what it sounds like whenever you type on it. So I'm just going to do a little, little demonstration. Sounds real nice. Not clicky, but that's fine. Gives a nice, good clack. One thing about this keyboard, it's small, very, I wouldn't say lightweight. It's actually a very heavy keyboard for how big it is. It's very compact. No num keys. I like it. It fits right on my desk. You know, here I can show you what it looks like. There's a mouse. Really nice little mouse. 20 bucks. I didn't want to go too hardcore on the peripherals. But all in all, I will say that I do enjoy this keyboard. It has worked very well. Not backlit. I wish it was backlit, but you get what you get. Currently, I got it for about 65 bucks with shipping and whatnot. The things that come with it, and excuse me, like I said, it's been a long time since I've done a video, so I won't be I'm not gonna have everything written out and nothing. It's all on spot. So you get a nice little pamphlet that comes with a few things. If I can get it open, I don't think it comes with a CD. You wouldn't really need a CD. Just go download the driver off of the internet, or Windows Update actually fixed it for me. So you just get nice pamphlets about what is in there, and congratulations, there is no turning back, blah blah blah. Razer stuff. Comes with a nice little carrying pouch. If you're doing LAN and you want to bring your desktop, comes with a nice. Let me get that in a shot there. Comes with a nice little carrying pouch. Excuse me, I don't know how I got so much junk on it, but it's real nice and soft on the outside, nice and soft on the inside. And then you get a braided cable. It is detachable, so that's one good thing. Gold ends, whatever, gold plated. But it's a real simple keyboard, real simple mechanical keyboard. You get extension, raise the keyboard up and down. Real nice rubber pads on the bottom. Real nice. I really do like this keyboard. I think it's here to stay for a little while. So that was my review on the Razer Blackwidow Tournament Edition, the Silent or Stealth Edition. Thanks guys for watching, and glad to be back. Bye.